Hello everyone. I just want to make a quick review of this AZFUNN head-mounted LED light and magnifying glass. This company sent me this product. It's 21 bucks. Kind of needed something like this, so I figured why not take it. So overall, I've been pretty happy with this product for about 2 weeks. My kids have pretty much thrown this thing on the ground 50 times, so it's still working. That's a good sign. Has a fairly comfortable head mount. Also, these little adjustable knobs allow you to tighten just how hard it moves up and down. So when you're kind of trying to lower the magnifying glass, you can tighten this so if it gets a little loose. Has 2 LED lights. They are not the strongest, but they're actually pretty good considering this is on your head and you're supposed to be looking at something fairly close. So actually, when I first looked at it, I thought they weren't good enough, but after using it, I'm pretty impressed with this. They really don't need to be any brighter. Now, they have a slightly odd design, so the entire assembly slides out, allowing the LED light to pivot down. So it's a little strange how this slides out to do that, but it gets the job done. And if you press the button here, the whole thing comes out, and it's a handheld flashlight. 3 or 2? 3 AAA batteries. 1 simple button to turn it on and off. And it slides right back into the top here. Now, there's a selection of different magnification lenses here. A lot of these have actually been thrown on the ground by my kids, so I had to kind of clean them up. Here's a little box with a couple of different ones, and the visor has spots for 2 different ones. So I'm going to plug this in, use it. I forget which direction it's supposed to go. So plug this in. It allows you to tilt it up, put it back into position, and get something to look at here. So this is what magnification is this? It is 3.5. Alright, so let's take a look. As you can see, it's obviously just a magnifying glass. Works perfectly. These are fairly strong. One of them cracked a little bit, but it didn't fall apart. This is literally from it being thrown on the floor and kids running around with these looking at things for fun. So overall, for 21 bucks, if you just need a magnifying visor, this thing is perfectly fine. Like, there's really nothing wrong with it. I find it comfortable, and I actually don't really like wearing things on my head. So if something's kind of like a band where it grips around your head, I don't like that because it gives me a headache. And this, it has an adjustable knob, so you can adjust it to a perfect size depending on the size of your head, obviously. And this way, it's not really squishing your head. It's just perfectly as tight or as loosely as you like. And as I said, you can tighten these knobs so if the thing kind of falls down frequently or it's kind of loose, just tighten these up and that'll be fixed. Flashlight is great. It is a little bit of an odd design, but it gets the job done, so I really have no complaints. The fact that you can actually tilt it down makes a huge difference. And obviously this can be used for a whole lot of different things, not just magnifying or looking at something small. So you can just wear it on your head to help see something better with the light. It's pretty handy. So if you're just looking to spend like no more than 21 bucks on a magnification tool, something you can easily wear on your head, you really couldn't go wrong with this. So I'd say go for it.